Hi, y'all. Carrie D here, host of Coffee with Carrie Homeschool Podcast and the author of Just Breathe and Take a Sip of Coffee. And if you have been listening to my podcast for a while, or you read my book, or maybe you've even seen me at some conventions, you know that I'm all about simplifying, all right? So my neighbor used to say, keep it simple, sweetheart. And so that's what I'm here to help you with, okay? So today I wanted to talk about how to simplify your writing, all right? I've been teaching writing in our homeschool co-op for years now. And the secret to simplifying your writing lessons is to write something every day. I know it sounds too simple, too crazy to be true, but that's actually the best way to help your students become better writers, okay? So first of all, simplify your writing program by reading aloud every day, because reading aloud and reading independently is actually the best writing curriculum out there, okay? Is to see great writing and to see all the rules of punctuation and grammar and all that in good literature, okay? Second, sit down and have your entire family write something every day. It could be writing thank you cards. It could be helping send out an email. It could be making lists of things. It could be journal prompts. And there's so many resources out there that you can use. And then sit down as a family and write. And then when you're finished writing, you're not going to take a red pen and slash through all of the things that are wrong. But you are going to look at your kids' writing and see what are some common mistakes that they make. What are some common spelling errors that they make? How was that for New Orleans? Spelling errors that they make. And you're going to explain to them, this is how you use an exclamation point. This is why we need a comma here. It's no big deal. You don't need a fancy writing curriculum for that, okay? So another way to simplify your writing is to don't use a formal writing curriculum until maybe 5th or 6th grade. Just writing every day and sharing their stories and narrating and dictating, that's actually enough. Once they get to 5th or 6th grade, you can use a formal writing program if you want, but basically what they're working on in middle school is how to write a really good paragraph. So when you're doing nature studies or history studies or science studies, have them write a paragraph about something they're learning, okay? Talk about simplifying. You're doing science and history and writing all at the same time, all right? So hopefully this will help you simplify your writing instruction. And if you would like more help or information, I've done several episodes on writing. And also, if you're in Ventura County on October 15th, come to my Just Breathe and Simplify Your Homeschooling all-day in-person seminar. Hope to see you there.